Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file and immediately locating the component you'll edit. Do not waste time on settings. Once you find an instance, determine if the icon is a nested component, a vector path, or an image layer because the replacement method depends on that. If it's a nested component, use right-click Go to Main Component or open it from Assets. If it's an image, select the image layer. Make sure you work on the main component to propagate changes to instances. Now replace the icon using the method that fits. If the icon is a nested component, drag the replacement from Assets into the main component and swap it. This preserves overrides and constraints. If it's a vector, copy the new SVG path and paste in place, then align and set constraints so scaling remains consistent. For raster images, use Replace Image or drop a new PNG/SVG onto the image layer. Once done, make sure alignment, padding, and auto layout settings still behave as expected so instances stay consistent. Finish by inspecting several instances across frames and pages to confirm your new icon appears and scales correctly. If the component is in a shared library, publish updates so teammates receive the change. Make sure version comments explain the swap. If something looks off, reset instance overrides or reopen the main component to verify you replace the correct layer. One key troubleshooting tip. If instances don't update, you likely edited an instance instead of the main component. Go to Main Component and repeat the replacement there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.